Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making Superhero Cakesicles! They are so easy to make and look fantastic too. You just need a few basic ingredients and food colouring to suit each character. We've got Batman, Wonder Woman, Flash, and last but not least, Superman! Start by melting 100 grams of white chocolate and popping in your food colour. We want red, light orange and grey. Start by pouring the melted light orange coloured chocolate into 2 of the popsicle moulds. Then pour in your melted grey coloured chocolate, and then red. Half filling each one, swishing them around a bit to cover all the sides. Now chill for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make your cake filling. We want 400 grams of butter cake all crumbled up. And then mix in 200 grams of cream cheese. That's going to make your cakesicle filling. Super easy. Excellent. Now using your fingers and thumbs, just pop those into each mould, filling almost to the top. Spreading evenly. Then just pop in your sticks. And pour on the remainder of your melted coloured white chocolate. So we've got grey for the first one. Then it was light orange. Also for the last one. You can use a knife to spread it evenly. And finally, red. Excellent! Chill those for a further 30 minutes. And once they're set, you can carefully remove them from the mould and decorate using fondant icing. Batman! Wonder Woman, Flash, and Superman, looking a bit sad there. Don't worry, Superman, we've got your back. So, who's your favourite superhero? Hey, watch out, Flash!